नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस जो कि स्पोर्ट्स जीके से रिलेटेड होगा और ये उन बच्चों के लिए जो बीपीएड में इस साल एंट्रेंस टेस्ट देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सैंडी स्टॉर्म इज द ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग वेटरन क्रिकेटर्स? दिलीप वेंगसरकर, मोहिंदर अमरनाथ, संदीप पाटिल या फिर रॉजर बेनी? और इसका आंसर है सी, संदीप पाटिल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइडर कप इज रिलेटेड टू विच स्पोर्ट्स? पोलो, गोल्फ, बैडमिंटन या फिर टेनिस? और इसका आंसर है बी, गोल्फ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग वाज द वेन्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट साउथ एशियन गेम्स? काठमांडू, ढाका, कोलंबो, न्यू दिल्ली? और इसका आंसर है ए, काठमांडू। द फर्स्ट साउथ एशियन गेम held in Kathmandu in the year 1984. Question number 4, who was the first Indian International Cricket Council president? शरद पवार, जगमोहन डालमिया, रायमाली या फिर गवास्कर? और इसका आंसर है बी, जगमोहन डालमिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, who among the following is the first Indian to score a century in Indian Premier League? गौतम गंभीर, मनीष पांडे, सचिन तेंदुलकर या फिर राहुल द्रविड़? और इसका आंसर है बी, मनीष पांडे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, who holds the current Asian record in 1500 meter track event? कमलजीत संधू, प्रियंका पवार, सुनीता रानी या टिंटू लुका? और इसका आंसर है सी, सुनीता रानी। सुनीता रानी holds the current Asian record in 1500 meters track event, winning in Busan 2002 Asian Games, clocking 4 minutes 6 seconds. Question number 7, with which sport is Seema Punia associated? Javelin throw, discus throw, shot put या फिर long jump? और इसका आंसर है B, discus throw. Seema Punia is an Indian discus thrower. She is also known as the Millennium Child as she had won a gold medal in the World Junior Championship in 2000. She won a gold at the 2014 Asian Games and a silver medal in 2014 Commonwealth Games. Question number 8, how many medals have been won by India men's hockey team at Commonwealth Games till date? 8, 6, 5 और 2? और इसका आंसर है D, 2. India men's national hockey team has won 2 medals till date at Commonwealth Games. It includes only 2 silver medals. Question number 9, who was the fastest female athlete in the Rio Olympics 2016 in 400 meter relay event? Kian Bartoletta, Alison Felix, Bianca Knight, Carmelita Jeter? और इसका आंसर है B, Alison Felix. Alison Felix is an American athlete. She is one of the most decorated athletes in track and field history. Question number 10, who was the first president of IAAF? Adrian Paulin, Siegfried Edstrom, Primo Nebula या फिर Lamine Diak? और इसका आंसर है B, Siegfried Edstrom. Johannes Siegfried Edstrom was a Swedish industrialist, chairman of Sweden American Foundation and also the 4th president of International Olympic Committee. He was the first president of IAAF. Question number 11, FIFA is the global regulatory body of hockey, football, cricket या फिर टेनिस? और इसका आंसर है 2, football. Question number 12, which of the following football club wins FIFA World Cup 2020? Juventus, FC Barcelona, Manchester United या फिर Bayern Munich? और इसका आंसर है 4, Bayern Munich. German football club Bayern Munich emerged as the champion of the FIFA World Cup 2020, beating Mexican club Tigers. Question number 13, who among the following women cricketers was the first who has scored 10,000 runs in international cricket format? Mithali Raj, Anjum Chopra, Charlotte Edwards या फिर एलिस पेरी? और इसका आंसर है Charlotte Edwards. Question number 14, Grand Slam tournaments are operated by the Association of Tennis Professionals ATP, the Women's Tennis Association WTA, the International Tennis Federation ITF, jointly by the Association of Tennis Professionals ATP and the Women's Tennis Association WTA? और इसका आंसर है the International Tennis Federation ITF. Option number 3. Question number 15, who was the first Indian woman to get an Olympic medal? PT Usha, सानिया मिर्जा, आरती शाह या फिर करनाम मलेश्वरी? और इसका आंसर है 4. Karnam Malleshwari. Question number 16. Who is the first women cricketer in the world to score 7,000 runs in one-day international match? और इसका ऑप्शन है मिथाली राज इंडिया, शार्लेट एडवर्ड्स इंग्लैंड, बेलिंडा क्लार्क ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कैरन रॉल्टन ऑस्ट्रेलिया। और इसका आंसर है 1. मिथाली राज इंडिया। Novak Djokovic has defeated Dash by 7-5, 6-2, 6-2 to win his 9th Australian Open Grand Championship 2021 and 18th Grand Slam title. Daniil Medvedev, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, none of the above. और इसका आंसर है 1. Daniil Medvedev. He has won 6 of his last 10 major tournaments overall, and his total of 18 Grand Slams moves him within the two of the men's record of 20 shared by Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal. Question number 18. Who became the first player of the Indian origin to play in an NBA game? Sim Bhullar, Palpreet Singh, Amjot Singh, Satnam Singh. और इसका आंसर है 1. Sim Bhullar. Question number 19. Who became the first female to be appointed to the ICC International Panel of Match Referees in 2019? G.S. Lakshmi, Diana Edulji, Jhulan Goswami या फिर सुधा शाह। और इसका आंसर है 1. G.S. Lakshmi. Question number 20. Who was the first Indian to receive the International Shooting Sport Federation ISSF Blue Cross? Ranjan Sodhi, Vijay Kumar, Gagan Narang या फिर अभिनव बिंद्रा। और इसका आंसर है 4. अभिनव बिंद्रा। Question number 21. Who has won the women's singles US tennis tournament 2020? Naomi Osaka, Bianca Andreescu, Sofia Kenin या फिर के पिल्स्कोवा। और इसका आंसर है 1. Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka defeated Victoria Azarenka in the final 1-6, 6-3, 6-3 to win the women's single tennis title at the 2020 US Open. Question number 22. Who is the first and currently the only batsman to score double hundreds in 4 consecutive Test series? विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, AB de Villiers या फिर ब्रायन लारा। और इसका आंसर है 1. विराट कोहली। Question number 23. India shared gold medal with which country in the first online chess Olympiad 2020? Russia, Armenia, Poland, none of the above. और इसका आंसर है 1. Russia. The online Olympiad format is experimental. It was hosted by the website chess.com after the cancellation of the normal biennial Olympiad. Each team had a 12-player squad with Srinath Narayanan as India's coach and Vidit Gujrati as a captain, and fielded 6 boards per match. 3 boards were open, anyone could play. 1 had to be held by a woman and 2 had to feature players under 20, 1 of each gender. Question number 25. Koneru Humpy excels in which one of the following sport? Boxing, table tennis, chess या फिर billiards? और इसका आंसर है 3. Chess. Koneru Humpy is an Indian chess player who is also reigning world rapid champion. In 2002, she became the youngest woman ever to achieve the title of Grandmaster at the age of 15 years, 1 month, 27 days, beating Judith Polgar's previous record of 3 months. Question number 26. Thomas Cup and Uber Cup are prestigious trophies of badminton, lawn tennis, table tennis या फिर golf। और इसका आंसर है badminton. Who is the first keeper of the world to clinch all 3 major ICC trophies? That is ICC T20 World Cup, ICC World Cup and the Champions Trophy as a skipper. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी, कुमार संगकारा, सौरव गांगुली, जैक कैलिस। और इसका आंसर है Mahendra Singh Dhoni, our captain cool. Question number 27. Which countries were jointly declared as the winners of FIDE Chess Olympiad 2020? Brazil and Russia, France and Russia, Italy and France, India and Russia. और इसका आंसर है D. India and Russia. Question number 28. Which women's sports player has entered the US Open semi-finals 11 times in a row? Serena Williams, Carolina Pliskova, Sofia Kenin या फिर जोहाना कोंता। और इसका आंसर है A. Serena Williams. Former world number 1 women tennis player Serena Williams has entered the US Open 2020 semi-finals. With this, the tennis legend has entered semi-finals in US Open for 11th time in a row. Serena, who is 38 years old, has won 23 Grand Slam titles, including 6 US Open. She was the runners-up in the US Open 4 times. Question number 29. Which country is set to host the 2021 International Cricket Council (ICC) T20 World Cup? South Africa, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. और इसका आंसर है B. India. As per the recent notification of the International Cricket Council, India retained the right to host the 2021 T20 World Cup. ICC also announced that Australia will conduct this year's T20 World Cup 2020 postponed edition of the World Cup tournament in 2022. Next year's Women's ODI World Cup in New Zealand has been postponed till February-March 2020. लेकिन अभी के कोविड के सर्कमस्टांसेस के कारण ये T20 वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया से यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में शिफ्ट कर दिया गया। तो इसका आंसर होगा यूएई, लेकिन पहले इंडिया के लिए फिक्स किया गया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. What is the name of the fitness campaign launched by the Union Sports Minister from 15 August to 2nd of October? Run India, Fit India Freedom Run, Fitness India Run, खेलो इंडिया मैराथन। इसका आंसर है बी. फिट इंडिया फ्रीडम रन। फिट इंडिया फ्रीडम रन हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय आवर दी देन यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स किरण रिजिजू through an online program. A large number of government organizations and private organizations will participate in the event. In view of prevailing COVID-19 pandemic, the participants can run at their own place and at their own pace between 15 August to 2nd of October. Question number 31. Manika Batra, who was conferred with the Khel Ratna Award, is associated with which sport? Hockey, table tennis, tennis, athletics. और इसका आंसर है B. Table tennis. 5 sportspersons were named as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardees and 27 sportspersons as Arjuna awardees. Rohit Sharma in cricket, Rani Ramphal hockey, para-athletes Mayyappan Thangavelu, Vinesh Fogart wrestling and Manika Batra table tennis were selected for the prestigious Khel Ratna award. They will be virtually conferred with the award on August 29 on National Sports Day this year. Who became the first? Question number 32. Who became the first Indian to win a Grand Slam singles main draw match in 7 years? Sumit Nagal, Prajnesh Ganeshwaran, Rohan Bopana, Yuki Bhambre. और इसका आंसर है A. Sumit Nagal. Indian ace tennis player Sumit Nagal became the first Indian to win a Grand Slam singles main draw matches in 7 years. The 23 years old entered the second round of the ongoing US Open tournament. He defeated Bradley Clan of United States in the men's singles first round. Prior to this achievement, Somdev Devarman has reached the second round of the Australian Open, French Open and US Open. Question number 33. Which softball player is nicknamed as the King? George Hancock, Eddie Figner, James Naismith, Maury Wills. और इसका आंसर है B. Eddie Figner. Eddie the King Figner was the American softball player. He was a softball player for much of his early life and turned his attention to the sport full-time following an enlistment in the US Marine Corps. Question number 34. Alexander Zverev and Aryna Sabalenka are winners of which Masters 100 tournament? Miami Open, Madrid Open, Italian Open या फिर Shanghai Masters? इसका आंसर है B. Madrid Open. German tennis player Alexander Zverev defeated Italian Matteo Berrettini to claim his 4th Masters 1000 crown and 2nd Madrid Open title. The player has been in the top 10 since July 2017. He was also the US runners-up last year. Aryna Sabalenka, Belarusian tennis player, has won her 10th career title at the Mutua Madrid Open. She defeated the world number 1 Ashley Barty. Question number 35. How Yifan, who won the 2021 Women's Speed Chess Championship, is from which country? Thailand, Japan, China या Singapore? और इसका आंसर है C. China. Question number 36. Which country has won 2021 Copa America Football? Brazil, Argentina, England या फिर Italy? और इसका आंसर है B. Argentina. Argentina beats Brazil 1-0 in the Copa America final to secure the team's first title in 28 years. It was held in Macarena Stadium in Rio de Janeiro. Lionel Messi also won his first major title. Argentina's captain Lionel Messi finishes as tournament's joint top goal scorer with Peru's Luis Diaz with 4 goals. Messi was elected joint best player along with Brazil's Neymar. Argentina beat Ecuador in the quarterfinals and had a penalty shootouts win over Colombia in the semifinals. Question number 37. Mirabai Chanu has registered India's first medal at Tokyo Olympics in which sporting event? Sprint, wrestling, boxing or weightlifting? और इसका आंसर है डी weightlifting. India's ace weightlifter Mirabai Chanu has clinched the silver medal in the 49 kg category and has opened the country's medal account at the Tokyo Olympics 2021. She is the second Indian woman to bag a silver medal at the Olympics after PV Sandhu. Also, she became the first Indian woman weightlifter to win a silver at the Olympics. Question number 38. Wanamaker Trophy is associated with the game of chess, squash, golf या फिर skating और इसका आंसर है 3 golf. Question number 39. Who among the following cricketer won the purple cap in the Indian Premier League IPL 2020? रविचंद्रन अश्विन, कगिसो रबाडा, जसप्रीत बुमराह या फिर मोहम्मद शमी और इसका आंसर है कगिसो रबाडा. The South African pace spearhead picked up 30 wickets this season, the most by a Delhi Capital player in an IPL edition. Question number 40. Who has become the first Indian fencer to qualify for Tokyo Olympic Games? कविता देवी, भवानी देवी, डायना देवी या फिर कौशिक वेदिका और इसका आंसर है 2 भवानी देवी. Tamil Nadu fencer Bhavani Devi scripted history by becoming the first Indian fencer to qualify for Olympic Games. Question number 41. West Indies captain Kieron Pollard smashed 6 sixes over Sri Lanka spinner Akila Dhananjaya in the first T20 International against Antigua in the first week of March 2021. Which Indian cricketer achieved a similar milestone? युवराज सिंह, सौरभ शर्मा, विराट कोहली, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी और इसका आंसर है none other than Yuvraj Singh. Question number 42. The National Dope Testing Laboratory functions under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports या फिर Ministry of Home Affairs और इसका आंसर है 3 Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Question number 43. India shared gold medal with which country in first online chess Olympiad 2020? Russia, Armenia, Poland या फिर none of the above और इसका आंसर है रशिया. Question number 44. Where the Winter Olympic Games 2020 will be organized? Pyeongchang, South Korea, Vancouver, Canada, Sochi, Russia या फिर बीजिंग, चाइना और इसका आंसर है 4 बीजिंग, चाइना. Question number 45. Which nation will host Asian Boxing Championship 2020? India, China, Malaysia या जापान और इसका आंसर है 1 India. Question number 46. In which city the 2028 Summer Olympic Games will be organized? Amsterdam, Tokyo, Paris या फिर Los Angeles और इसका आंसर है 4 Los Angeles. Question number 47. Who was the flag bearer at Rio Olympics 2016 opening ceremony for Indian contingent? शिव केशवन, नीरज चोपड़ा, सुशील कुमार या फिर अभिनव बिंद्रा और इसका आंसर है 4 अभिनव बिंद्रा. Question number 48. FIH Men's Hockey World Cup 2023 will be hosted in India in Kolkata, Jalandhar, Chandigarh या फिर भुवनेश्वर एंड राउरकेला और इसका आंसर है 4 भुवनेश्वर एंड राउरकेला. Question number 49. Who became the first world badminton champion from India? साइना नेहवाल, PV सिंधु, सानिया मिर्जा या फिर क्रिश श्रीकांत और इसका आंसर है PV सिंधु. Question number 50. The ISSF World Cup was scheduled to be held in Changwon City located in which country? Argentina, South Korea, Italy या फिर जापान और इसका आंसर है B South Korea. The ISSF World Cup was scheduled to be held in Changwon, South Korea from April 16 to 27. It was recently announced that the tournament has been postponed due to restrictions imposed to curb the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Last week, the Indian team withdrew from the tournament because of South Korea's mandatory 2-week quarantine rules, which would come in the way of shooters training. So this was it. ये टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस का सेट था और ये सब जो है लेटेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड जनरल नॉलेज है. तो अगर आप बीपीएड एंट्रेंस टेस्ट देना चाहते हो और बीपीएड में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ इन क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ें. मैं 100% श्योर हूँ इन क्वेश्चंस में से कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग.